A couple of weeks ago, I stumbled upon these Instagram videos. What an amazing living rooms, I thought. But after closer inspection, I noticed these were all AI generated. So I went to this Instagram page and I found out that they have almost 10 million followers. And all these videos are getting tens of millions, and sometimes even over 100 million views. So it's safe to say that this page is making tens of thousands of dollars every month from these videos. That's why I decided to figure out how these videos are made. And to my surprise, it's very easy, and you can make them entirely for free. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these relaxing videos so you can start your own faceless Instagram page, or which you can for instance use as backgrounds for your faceless lo-fi music channels. Let's begin. So these relaxing videos are extremely easy to make thanks to AI. Let me show you how. You want to start with an AI image generator. You can use every image generator you like. Midjourney is probably the best. However, if you want a free alternative, you can use Leonardo. This gives you 150 credits for free every day, which is more than enough. So you want to generate living rooms with these large floor-to-ceiling windows. For these images, I recommend you use the Leonardo diffusion model. I have created a prompt which you can use to generate these rooms. You can find the prompt in the description of this video. You can of course change the prompt to your liking. But the most important part is that you instructed to generate a double height room with floor-to-ceiling windows. Now simply select Generate. Lovely. I always recommend you upscale the image. For these images, I recommend you use the Upscale Image Alternate function within Leonardo at the bottom of the screen. Now download the image. You will also need to generate an image for the background. This is what you will see when you look outside the window, because you need to create this separately. I have also created a prompt which you can use to generate these backgrounds. Simply input this prompt and select Generate. Again, upscale the image and select Download. Now here is where you want to pay close attention. You will need to cut out the windows from your image. You can do this in Photoshop. However, if you want to have a free alternative, you can search for Photopea. This is a free-to-use Photoshop program which you can use in your browser. Now upload the image of the room. The easiest way to cut out the windows is to use the polygonal lasso select tool. This allows you to draw straight lines. Simply select the tool and start in one corner of a window. Select each corner until you have completed the entire window and simply press backspace on your keyboard. This will then delete the window part of that image. In the next step, we are then going to add the snow effect and background behind this window to make the image come to life. So you want to do this for every window in the image. At some places, it is a little bit more difficult to cut out the windows. For instance, here at the couch. The best way to cut these out is to use the magic wand tool. Select the window, and you will see the magic wand will automatically select a part of the window you can then delete. Simply do this a couple of times until you have the most difficult parts cut out. Once you have these parts cut out, you can go back to the polygonal lasso select tool and do the rest of the window. And it's as easy as that. Now go to File in the top left corner, select Export As, and choose the PNG file type. Give it a name and select Save. Now to bring these images to life, you will need an editing program. I highly recommend using CapCut, simply because it is free and very user-friendly. I'm also using CapCut to edit every single one of my videos. Now upload the image with the cutout windows and the background image you generated in your AI image generator. And you want to start by dragging the background image onto the timeline first. Then on top of that image, you will need to place the image with the cutout windows. Now for the snow effect, you will need a snow effect green screen video. Simply go to YouTube and search for snow green screen. Pick one you like and download the video. Next, go back to CapCut and upload the video. Now you want to place this video between the background image and the image with the cutout windows. And here comes the real magic. Go to Cutout in the Videos section in the top right corner. Enable the Chroma key option and select the color picker. Then select the green color of the snow video and increase the strength until the green background disappears. You will probably notice that the green isn't going to disappear entirely. As you can see, some of the snowflakes still have a slight green color. You can increase the strength a bit more to get rid of all the green. However, you will also lose a lot of the snowflakes. So here is what you want to do. Go to Adjustments in the top right corner and scroll down until you see the saturation slider. Set this one all the way to the left. This will take out all the color of the video, leaving you with completely white snowflakes. I also suggest you put the brightness slider all the way to the right to enhance this even more. And as you can see, you are now left with only the white snowflakes. You can also see that the snowflakes are very large, and that there aren't nearly enough to cover the entire video. So the next step is to make the snowflakes video smaller, and simply copy and paste this multiple times so it covers the entire video. To make it look like there is even more snow, you can simply select every snow effect layer and copy and paste it again. Change the direction a bit, and this step is done. I also think the background image is a bit too bright. So I will select this one and again go to Adjustments. Then I will decrease the brightness to make the background darker. Now select Export in the top right corner, give the video a name and hit Export again. So I'm going to import this video back into CapCut so it's easier to edit the rest. Because I also want to add a fireplace. To do this, you want to again go to YouTube and search for Fire Green Screen. Pick one you like and download the video. Upload the video in CapCut and simply follow the same steps as with the snow effect. Go to Cutout, enable the Chroma key and select the color picker. Choose the green color and increase the strength until the green color has disappeared. Now scale the video until it fits in the fireplace. I also recommend you cut off a part of the top of the fire. This way it really looks like the fire is inside the fireplace. Now for the last step, you want to select both layers and create a compound clip. This will combine them into one. Now go to Ratio and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the desired aspect ratio for short-form content for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Enlarge the video and place it to the left side of the screen. Now to make the video move from the left to the right side of the screen, you want to place the timing bar at the start of the video. Then go to the video section in the top right corner and look for position and size. Now add a keyframe. Drag the timing bar to the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Now place the video slightly to the right, and you are done. As you can see, the video is now moving. Let's take a look at the final result. But before I show you this, I want to quickly mention that I grew my faceless YouTube channel from 0 to 70,000 subscribers in 4 months, and I made a course on how I did this, which is available right now. The link to this course is in the video description. Once again, thank you for your patience. Now on to the actual final result. Lovely. And you can of course also use this method to create relaxing backgrounds for instance, faceless lo-fi beats channels. I'm sharing all kinds of ways to make money with AI-generated content. So if you want to see more of these videos, leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time.